Impact, impact, impact. Impact is one of those versatile words that you can find in many different contexts. It can mean a couple of things, so let's break it down. Forceful contact. Imagine a basketball slamming into a backboard. That kind of physical impact we're talking about, the object hitting another with force. Influence or effect. Think about how a really good book or a heartfelt speech can change your perspective. That's impact in terms of influence. Examples. Accident. When the car crashed, the impact was so strong it dented the metal. Sports. Her powerful serve had a huge impact on the tennis match. Environment. Recycling can have a positive impact on our planet. Technology. The invention of the smartphone has had a major impact on how we communicate. Education. Her inspiring words made a lasting impact on the students. General usage. You can use impact to describe both physical collisions and the effects or changes caused by something. It's like saying something has left a mark, either literally or figuratively. Tips for remembering. Visualize, picture a rock hitting a calm pond and creating ripples. Those ripples are the impact of the rock. Connect. Recall a time when someone's words or actions really changed how you felt or thought. That's a kind of impact. Practice. Use the word impact in your daily life. Try talking about the impact of your favorite movie or a recent school project. Fun fact. The word impact has been around for centuries and comes from the Latin word impactus, which means to press closely into. Originally, it referred to a physical force, but over time it grew to include the idea of influence and effect. It's amazing how language evolves. So, whether you are talking about a soccer ball striking a net or how climate change affects our world, impact is a powerful word to describe both the force of actions and their far reaching consequences. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye.